Alright, so we have some white rice here. We have got spam. Don't mind the machine. And make sure when you get to the package from the Chinese man and keep it, right? Because it always come in handy. I'll drizzle a little.
Try so hard. I've loved you from the very start. You're perfect, not because you're flawless, but because you're honest. Every crack, every line just makes you more of mine. You're perfect in ways you'll never see, but I see everything you need. You don't have to change a thing. You're perfect to me. You overthink the smallest things, replay the words you didn't mean. But I see beauty in your mess, your quiet fears, your tenderness.